All right, as promised, so more content to come. So we're gonna protect these wheels. As you can see, these wheels are pretty pristine. We saw my other video. We did finance this vehicle and was able to get this vehicle for a good price. So you see a flash across the screen that most of these vehicles will get the curb rashes that people always talk about. But this is actually pretty clean. I don't know, they cleaned it up at the dealership, at the Tesla dealership. It looks pretty good, but I don't want this bad things to happen. So I bought this from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon. I want to say 60 bucks. It's matte black, so it will match up perfectly. And it'll snap right in. And they give you basically cushion tape around these rims here to prevent any scuffing of the rims for long-term use. So we'll do that. We'll clean this up, use some Windex, clean this all up, and then apply the tape to this and then snap it in. Should be a quick video, but I did promise you we'll make a video on this. So there it is, 2023 Model Y long range. So this will probably fit 2019, 2024. Don't quote me on it, but do your research and we'll get this done. I'm just gonna clean this up and give it a once over, and I'll apply the tape, and then we'll snap these into place. No Windex. Just give it a once over, nothing crazy. Start the valve stem, I guess. We'll start here and make our way. Some peeling with this finger, and you can see that. Peeling with this finger and pressing with that. So peel, press. And I'm pulling pretty taut here as I'm doing that. Just go slow. Let me get it right the first time. Right there. Slip it off right there. Repeat the rest for all four rim covers. I won't film that part, but that's the idea. So see, it's pretty good there. Let's say so. We'll pop these in. All right, once we pretty much put the little foam on that rim cover protector, we're gonna clean these rims a little bit. Fortunately, this car is pretty new. I picked it up the other day, so the car is pretty new. I'm just gonna wipe everything down and we'll pop it in. So Windex. Comment below, should I be using Windex on these rims? I don't know. Don't do as I do. So yeah, these are 255/40 20s. So I was mistaken. And they look like Goodyear Eagle ones. This whole idea of this rim cover, so you don't have any scratches. Believe me, I've rented a couple of Teslas. It's pretty nasty. These are curb rashes. They are real. Anybody that has owned a Tesla, I don't know why these guys stick out more than usual than a regular car one. And they seem to gravitate toward giving you a ugly rim. So we're going to use these rim protectors to kind of protect you. Okay, like the instructions said. So just like if you ever put in a wheel on, any wheel lug, you want to do a star pattern. So it'd be like, let's say the lug nuts here, you go 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. So basically crisscross. Because you want to even it out when you pop these in. So when we start the valve stem, we'll go from 1 to 2. So 1 here, and one here. You should hear the pop. One, two. So that's one, two, three here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Just keep going crisscross. And star pattern. Once you get the star pattern, just kind of make sure everything's lined up. And it's pretty good. What do you guys think? Okay, pretty seamless to me. Yeah, all matches, you know. I'm gonna protect you from the curb rashes. Again, I'll flash across screen the difference between having these on and not having it on. So there it is, all popped in. We're gonna repeat the same thing on all 4 wheels, so I'm not gonna film that part. But in the next clip, we'll see it all put it back together. All right, all done. So we have to install this wheel protector and this 2023 Model Y long range. Probably applies to most Model Ys in this caliber. This will help you protect your rims. I'll flash across screen how much a new rim for one of these cars would cost versus, you know, just buying a simple $60, $70 rim protector from Amazon. All right, if you like this kind of content, we'll help you with cost savings, protecting your transportation, saving some money. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody watching this channel. I think we're up to 1,000 subscribers, so kudos to you guys. Thank you for the community, and I appreciate you. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of cars lined up. We're gonna do some more maintenance, some cost savings. You know, I'm here to help you. I appreciate you. We'll see you next video.